In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate NPV in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel so you can follow along directly in a worksheet. NPV stands for Net Present Value, and it's a financial calculation used to figure out what future cash flows are worth in today's money. This is especially useful when you're evaluating an investment, comparing projects, or deciding whether a future return is worth the money you need to invest right now. The main idea behind NPV is that money received in the future is not worth as much as money you have today because of factors like inflation, risk, and the opportunity to invest that money elsewhere. Excel makes this process much easier by providing a built-in NPV function. For this example, assume your discount rate is entered in cell B1, and your future cash flows for years 1 through 3 are entered in cells B3 through B5. Your initial investment is in cell B2. To calculate NPV, click into the cell where you want the answer to appear and enter the formula equals NPV. Then open parentheses, B1, comma, B3 through B5, close parentheses, plus B2. The full formula is equals PV, open parentheses, B1, comma, B3 colon B5, close parentheses, plus B2. Here's what each part means. Cell B1 contains the discount rate, which in this case is 10%. Cells B3 through B5 contain the future cash flows you expect to receive over the next 3 years. Cell B2 contains the initial investment, such as negative $10,000. It's important that this initial investment is entered as a negative number because it represents money going out at the beginning of the project. One key detail to remember is that Excel's NPV function only discounts future cash flows. It does not automatically include the initial investment if that investment happens at time 0, which is why you add B2 separately at the end of the formula. That's a very common point of confusion, so it's worth paying attention to. Once you press Enter, Excel calculates the project's net present value. If the result is positive, that generally means the investment may be worthwhile because the projected returns exceed the cost after accounting for the discount rate. If the result is negative, it usually suggests the project may not meet your required return. That's how to calculate NPV in Excel using the NPV function quickly and accurately.